Hi, welcome to Rustic Lamb Life. If you're new here, thanks for coming. And if you have been here before, thanks for coming back. So today we are going to do a FabFitFun. And as you can tell, it was just delivered to my door. And so we're gonna open it now. No waiting, no cheating. FabFitFun, if you do not know what it is, it's a subscription box. It comes every 3 months for $49. We'll drop a link down below. I don't have a link. This is something we pay for. We order this and pay for it with our own money, so we're not affiliated. But I do get emails for $10 off your first subscription. So we'll drop those below. It's just a couple of them. So if you don't get one, you can always email me and I can see if we can get another one. All right, so this is the fall FabFitFun. They come boxed like this, and this is the cute little thing it comes with. I did order something extra. How exciting. So they always come in these cute little boxes that you can reuse with the flip lids. This one's a little different this time. I love getting these because it's just like, a little Christmas present in the mail. So I'm gonna open this, but we're gonna start with this. This is one of the items that you could get if you do a yearly. You can pick more items. I don't do yearly. I just do the quarter to quarter. But sometimes they have where you can curate your box and pick a few items, and you can order an extra one. So that's what I did, and I think this was an extra $10 or $15. So this is a rose gold 25 millimeter curling wand, and I can't wait to use this. So exciting. All right, here we go. Throw that on the ground. It comes with a little magazine, and that'll tell you about the items inside and how much they're worth. Their manufacturer suggested retail. Some little coupons. $15 off your first FabFitFun box. This is for Discover Wine Bright Cellars. And this is a $45 credit. So you get some coupons that are worth some stuff, and it's kind of nice. All right, here we go. I'm so excited. These I've had before, and I don't mind getting them again. I know some people don't like to get the same things over again, but these are exfoliating sugar cubes. So it's one little scrub, and I love the smell. And here is, can you see what they look like? Look how cute those are. It looks like a sugar cube. And it smells as good. And I like these. I have had these before. I had a different scent. And they're nice. You can use these. I just do like elbows, knees, heels, and then you can still use it around your body. So this definitely goes a long way for one little cube. Anyway, there's that. Okay, and this is the Spongelle Sweet Cedarwood, and this is a body wash infused buffer. And so here's what they look like. Can you see that really well? You can hear my dog in the background on the floor. So this is a little sponge, and it's got the soap right in it. Sorry about the puppy. It's got the soap right in it, and so you just get it wet and squeeze it. And this lasts for quite a few showers. This one's okay. This one smells more rustic, I guess fallish. That's neat. I'm not going to tell you the values. We could do it at the end, but this is Glow Milk, nourished with coconut and argan oil. I love argan oil. It's one of my favorite things for my hair and body. So this, I should have had my glasses. Radiance in a bottle. So this is a champagne colored liquid highlighter. Interesting. Should we open it? Open it. You want to see, right? There we go. Can you see that? Let's check it out. All right. So here's what it looks like. nice. Nice fallish. So you can barely see, but you see the shimmer. Nice. Doesn't really have a smell. I mean, there's no smell. It's super soft though. That's awesome. We will post pictures down below of the different items too, so you can see them a little better. Room spray. Daniel Stone perfume room spray. My funny face is because for a lot of things that we get, I can't get this off my fingers. A lot of things that we get are too perfumey, and it leaked a little bit. And so I don't like the smell. Nice and light. I like it. This says sandalwood fragrance oil with spicy. Okay. Amber sandalwood. So nice and fall. It's light. I don't think it's too much. So there's that. My bottle leaked a little. All right, here we go. What did I order? Some things you know you ordered, and other things they just come. Ooh, these are sunglasses. Cute. No, oh, these are blue light blocking eyewear. Okay, so these are pretty cool. My daughter has a pair, and she said they make a big difference when you're looking at your phone all day or a computer. So I'll just leave those on. How about that? All right. The next thing, I'm not even gonna read it. Let's just open it and find out. Oh, this is, okay, I remember. This is an infinity scarf. Beyond Yoga. Oh, it's super soft, which is a huge deal to me. Super soft. And check this out. Ready? Okay, so let's look. This has a little pocket, like to put you could put your keys in there, your cell phone, because we always need some place to put our cell phone, right? And now that it's fall, scarves every day, right? So let's see, when you put it on, you probably want to make sure you have the, all right, you get the idea. You're probably going to need to play with it a little bit, but you can put, that way you can have the zipper wherever you want it. Or how's that look? Okay. It's soft and warm. All right. Skin & Company Truffle Therapy Whipped Polishing and Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract. There's that. Of course, it has a safety thing on it, right? Can't open anything with my nails. They're, see, way too long for me. I haven't trimmed them in a while. Okay. It's soft and I like it. It's kind of got almost a light beachy coconut smell, but more, I guess, it's got some fall smell in it too. I know that doesn't make sense, right? But check it out. Made in Italy cleansing cream. Can't wait to try that. I love all the products, the beauty products that I get in my boxes, because that means I try something new. And normally I probably would never buy anything new. So I'd stick with the old standbys that I like. So I like that. All right. I think this is the last thing. Mia Malang. I probably said that wrong. There we go. Cute. So this is black and like creamy white. And I would think that with this little hook, you could go ahead and hook it on a wall, like to hold, you know, like your entryway. You could hold cell phones, sunglasses, wallets, keys, hats, gloves, because it's fall, right? And then otherwise it has this little, it's got little handles. So you could use it to carry stuff around the house, like if you have crafts and you do some different things. I like that. Multi-use. I think I'm definitely, oh, you know what you could use this for? In the bathroom. Hang it on the wall with little hand towels. So I will, you know what? I'm going to post on my page a whole bunch of different uses for this because I'm doing a video with fall decorating and using what you have and switching things up. So we will definitely use this one. So check that out on our page, channel, and our page on Facebook, Rustic Glam Life. So if you like what you saw, please hit subscribe, like, and share. Help us grow. Check out our other videos where we do other unboxings. We do home improvement, DIYs. We're doing, like I said, we'll use this for a fall decorating, using what you have in the home to redecorate for fall. All right, so thank you for joining us. Again, you can see all of these products. We'll post some pictures down below if you want to see them closer. If you have any questions, please go ahead and comment, and I can answer whatever I can about these. And if not, I will post a link to FabFitFun where you can check them out yourself. Again, FabFitFun every 3 months, $49, I think it's $49.99. I think it's worth it. All the products you get, let me just really quick tell you the box total value, depending on some of the things you had choices, like I think this and the purse and there's a purse you could have chosen, or the basket, 2 purses, some different things you could choose. So the value was between $214 and $544 because some of the purses are much more expensive. So on that, really quick, this infinity scarf, $59.99. So that was more than the entire box alone, and I love it. I think the products are great. I definitely get products I don't use, or maybe I don't like the scents, and I just pass those on to a friend or family member. You can also use the items you don't want for gifts. So I always think it's a good deal. I know not everybody thinks that way, but I do. So there we go. Thanks for joining me, and as always, stay safe and happy. Thanks. Bye-bye.